Think 2 to the power of 22 times 3 to the power of 33 needs a calculator? Nope. Watch this Olympiad trick. Look at the exponents, 22 and 33. The greatest common factor is 11. So let's rewrite them. We change 2 to the power of 22 to 2 to the power of 2 times 11, and we change 3 to the power of 33 to 3 to the power of 3 times 11. Now we apply one of the most powerful laws of exponents, the power of a power rule. A to the power of m times n is the exact same thing as a to the power of m to the power of. By applying this, 2 to the power of 2 times 11 transforms neatly into 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 11, and 3 to the power of 3 times 11 becomes 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 11. Two squared is simply 4, and 3 cubed is 27. Look at our expression now, 4 to the power of 11 times 27 to the power of 11. Notice how beautiful this is? Both bases now share the exact same exponent of 11. Whenever you multiply two different bases with the same exponent, you simply multiply the bases together under that single power. So we combine them to get 4 times 27 to the power of 11. Multiply 4 by 27 and you get 108. 108 to the power of 11. No calculator, no panic, just smart math. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next one.